Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic: how to get rich with AI. AI has proven to be a game changer, and if you understand how to leverage it effectively, the possibilities for financial success are truly limitless. Let's explore the 3 core components to make your AI-driven journey to riches a reality. Part 1. Embracing the AI revolution. The AI revolution is here, and it's reshaping industries in ways we could have never imagined. Unlike past technological advancements, AI is unique because it productizes skills that were once exclusive to humans. While AI has been around for a while, recent democratization through tools like ChatGPT has made it more accessible to everyone. Understanding and embracing this revolution is the first step to seizing the opportunities it offers. Part 2. Harnessing AI's potential in the real world. To get rich with AI, you must understand how it impacts the real world. While the long-term future is uncertain, focusing on short-term benefits is vital. AI can optimize tasks, save time, and improve productivity across various domains. From automating communication in agencies to enhancing content creation and copywriting, AI empowers you to achieve more with less effort. Part 3. Making money with AI. 3 lucrative approaches. Now, let's delve into 3 lucrative ways you can make money with AI. AI-powered agencies. If you run an agency, AI can be your ultimate ally. Utilize AI to streamline communication, automate tasks like writing emails, and generate ad copy efficiently. This allows you to work on growing your agency instead of being bogged down by mundane tasks. By leveraging AI, you can achieve more significant results and impress your clients. Supercharging content creation. For content creators and copywriters, AI is a game changer. Access a wealth of ideas and eliminate creative blocks with AI-generated suggestions. Use AI to build the framework of your content, saving you time and allowing you to handle more clients. AI-driven photo and video editing tools further enhance your creative capabilities, making your work stand out. AI-powered consultancy and coaching. If you're a consultant or coach, AI can be your invaluable assistant. Tools like Microsoft's Copilot can transcribe notes, create presentations, and perform data analysis, freeing up your time for more valuable interactions with clients. By leveraging AI, you can provide top-notch services, strengthen relationships, and attract more clients. Conclusion. AI presents an unprecedented opportunity to get rich in today's world. By understanding and embracing the AI revolution, harnessing AI's potential in the real world, and exploring the various ways AI can boost your business, you can pave your path to financial success. So, seize this golden opportunity, capitalize on AI's potential, and take your journey to riches with AI. Remember, the only limit is your ambition and willingness to embrace change. Wishing you all the best on your AI-driven journey to success.